Monsoon rolling in. All sorts of lightning. Oh, that was a good one.
But,
Yeah, zoom out a little. Of course, now that I got the camera up, it's... Oh, there it goes. I don't know if the full brunt of it will make it here. It's fairly close, but for some reason it dies. Oh, there we go. Always speed up the slow parts. Yeah, it'd be kind of cool if it came in, but I'm not quite sure that. Whoa, that was a good one. It's close. It's just a wall of water. Thank you, son, for warning the peoples.
Watch out, there's a thunder over there. Hey, there's a thunder.
He knows. His mom's there. If the thunder comes, she'll take him inside. Anyway, pretty cool. Wow. That's my son whispering below me. I'm looking up at a big thunderhead. I think maybe if I went over here. We just caught the very edge of it. Oh yeah. Kind of like, I don't know if you can see my hand. No, it's too dark.
Hey, watch out, there's a thunder.
Yeah, there's a big one right there.
Watch out, it's gonna be. Hey, excuse me. Watch out, look.
He knows. Alright. That was a good one. Alright, buddy, let's go back. Whoa, how's it going? Let's go back inside.